Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then create an isolated environment. This prevents dependency conflicts. Once done, install core libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and your chosen framework, TensorFlow or PyTorch, using pip. You then load a CSV dataset, inspect columns, drop useless fields, and split into train, validation, and test sets. Make sure to normalize numeric features and encode categorical ones. This gets you into coding immediately with a clean dataset and working environment. You now define the model architecture and explain why each choice matters. Input shape comes from your features, hidden layers add capacity, and ReLU often works well as a default. Once done, pick a loss appropriate to the task, set atom optimizer and tune learning rate and batch size. Start with 32 and 1E3. You build a data pipeline, data loader or TF, data to feed batches efficiently. Then implement a training loop that logs loss and accuracy on the validation set so you can watch learning behavior. You finish by evaluating the trained model on the held-out test set and interpreting metrics. For classification, check precision, recall and the confusion matrix, and for regression, check RMSE. Once satisfied, save model weights and serialize preprocessing so inference reproduces training inputs. If things go wrong, debug systematically. Make sure there is no data leakage, confirm gradients are flowing, reduce learning rate, simplify the model to detect overfitting, and inspect sample predictions to find consistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.